Hello to my new video. In this short time period I have second unboxing. This time it's Kärcher WD 3 wet dry vacuum cleaner. You can see the box here. There is all the information about what's inside. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. So it's open. What do we have? So it looks like this inside. Everything is packed nicely. Okay, we have the tube. So you can maybe see better. Yes, like this. Okay. Then comes the, oh no, wait a second. Okay, here we have the instruction, suction bag, okay. And here is the machine itself. Something like this. Okay. Good size, I would say, and it's not heavy. Yes. What's inside? Okay, and then inside the cleaner itself, there is nozzle, wheels, and small nozzle. So yeah, something like that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.